120 is okay. So there is an option called if you are using version or newer, please consult the Chrome testing level the dashboard. Right?
Okay.
To go to here.
Oh, okay.
Or for more information, okay, please see the version selection page. So just click here. So new input thing is there. So we have to get a 120.
115.
Let's go to your dashboard. See here
120. Yeah.
1 second. Right. So this is
Mm.
a channel. Okay. So now
Okay.
we have to come back here. So there is a Chrome Windows 32.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
This is the URL. Once you have to come down again.
Yeah, Win 32.
So these are the new versions. See here. Chrome driver, Mac, Windows 32. So
Mm-hmm.
this link you have to copy.
That's Edge.
Okay. Same thing you do it for now. Okay.
Yeah,
Chrome
yeah, yeah.
driver. Okay. You have to scroll
Mm.
down. Chrome driver.
Mm.
Okay. Chrome driver. Okay. This is a green 200. Green is a nice. So this one you go.
Mm.
Okay. So now green one is downloaded.
Okay.
Right. So Padma, go to green one. Okay. Don't.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm.
That Chrome driver only. So I will delete this. Not delete. What I'll do, I will remove that inside driver.
So we have to extract this and copy in the.
Yeah. I'll do delete the old one because you will get an error saying old version not supported.
Okay.
Okay, now I'll copy this.
Copy, yeah.
I'll put it here.
Mm.
Is it Chrome? When we download, you got Chrome driver or Chrome?
Share your screen and
Yeah.
Prashant stop sharing your screen.
Yeah.
Prashant is done.
So I did paste this.
Give
I
it.
did paste
Ah,
this.
this one only. No, no, not
Yeah.
Chrome. I told you Chrome
Home
driver.
drive.
Ah,
Okay.
come down. Come down.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Windows. Yeah. Okay. First you delete old yesterday you have
Yeah.
downloaded. You
Yeah.
delete that. Now go to browser and yeah, delete inside. What is it? Inside Chrome? Okay. Yeah. So do the same setup, okay? Stop sharing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay? Now we are all done. So let me share my screen. So fourth step also we have done. So installation, Selenium web browser. Okay. So then, okay. So now let's create a script, right? Or coding. Okay. So now what you have to do, you open this, you click this Eclipse icon, right? Where you pinned it. Just click it. Okay. This will show you the pop-up. Just click on launch.
We have to open that.
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry, I missed out. What did you do? You just launched the Eclipse
Eclipse
workspace?
ID.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So once you launch, you will see that yesterday create a project. That option will you will see this like this, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. So you have to click and create a project.
Java project or a project.
Anything you type as a Selenium automation demo or something.
Okay. I have options like create a Java project, create a Maven project.
Share your screen.
Yeah, I have these options.
Create a project. One
Only
second.
project. Okay.
No, 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 no. Wait, wait. If not, you go to that file option at the corner.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and you maximize this window.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. My one is started. Starting again.
New and Java project. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
You
So
give
I should give.
Selenium automation demo. Yes, yeah, Selenium automation. Don't give space, okay?
Okay.
It is the case sensitive. We have studied
Okay.
Java
Yeah.
automation demo.
Demo.
Automation demo. Hmm. Okay. So here Java SC21 is here. From that drop down,
Mm-hmm.
you have to select what 1.8. Okay. These steps I have
C1.8.
already. Yeah, yeah. These all detailed steps I have already given in notes. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay.
Select that.
Mm-hmm.
Wait here. So Prashanti, you are you following us?
Sorry. We need to open the file first, right?
You did you open that Eclipse ID?
Yeah, yeah. It's open. It's open, and I can see the all the file edit source everything. So we have to
You
open the.
click on create a Java project
Okay. One second. Create Java project.
and give the name as
Yeah.
shown.
Project name and everything. Yeah. New window is open. New Java project.
Project name you give as a Selenium automation. You can see the screen and type
Yeah.
as
Selenium automation demo. Yeah. After that.
Here is GRE.
you have to
This
select 1.8 from that drop down.
1.8 drop down.
Okay, then finish. Okay, now project is created. Okay,
Yep.
so just right click on this folder and create a package.
Just a second. Sorry. 1 second. Give me 1 second. I'm confusing which one. Yeah.
Yeah, give anything. So automation demo one.
Yeah, I'll give
Go.
them over.
Okay, just finish. This is a package. Package nothing but it is a group of classes. I mean, you can write mini script under this folder.
Okay. Okay.
So it will go under source. SRC is
So,
a source. Okay.
okay.
So under
Mm-hmm.
source only you will write your script.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay. And Prashanti, are you on same page?
Yeah, up to have done up to the like I need to create a new one here. Click on a new one.
Hmm.
No, click on the Selenium automation, right click.
Uh, yes. Yeah, after that.
So go to new,
Package.
and in the new, there's a package here.
Uh, Sorry, I'm not there yet. I'm not there yet. In this window, after entering the project name, need to create a new here. There is a
There is a
new.
Okay,
screen.
I'll stop sharing. I'll stop sharing.
Yeah.
1 second.
Now here, what you have done, you don't do anything. I have
Yeah.
told you, give me control. You've done something. I told you from in this drop down, you have to select 1.8 Java SC.
Okay.
Okay, don't do any other changes.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to finish under this. Okay,
Yeah.
just right click.
The right click on that thing. Package. So,
Give anything. Okay, not to worry.
okay.
It should be understandable. Okay. So now,
Yeah.
Padma, we have to create a class under here. Okay. So just click on that folder. Go to new.
Mm-hmm.
You'll see that class.
Yep.
Mm.
So we know that Java class, the first name should be in capital, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now
Okay.
you can do automation script one. The name anything, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Be anything, but first letter should be capital because case
Okay.
sensitive. So we
Yep.
understand the Java syntax. Right?
Yeah.
After that, you can use this public static void main method. You can select this one because without main method, you cannot
Yes.
do
Mm-hmm.
it.
Okay.
So then you finish it.
So
So
what
are you
is
on?
inherited abstract methods? Even that need to be clicked.
You can. If not, you have to write it.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. If we click, it will populate automatically.
Automatic populate. If not, it will ask you to write that.
Write
To
down.
avoid that,
Okay.
so just if not, you can.
Okay.
Now you have to finish. Shanti system is very slow. Okay. So now here you can see the structure. So right. So what is the package name? Package name is demo one. And
Package
what is the
demo.
class? It is a public. And class name is automation script.
Automation script.
So under that curly bracket, so we have to call a main method, right, to execute the
Okay.
code. So this is automatically created. So now what you
Mm.
have to do? Okay. So under this curly bracket, we will write our script.
Mm.
So this is a structure for all the this one. So before
Mm-hmm.
that, we have to build the part for library. So okay, so how to build that? Because let's say if you try to run this code, let's say you calling integer a equal to 20 or 10. If you try to
Mm-hmm.
run it, you will not see that option run as a Java application.
Mm-hmm.
To run this one, okay, we have to build our path. Just click on source folder.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, right click on that source. You can see the build path.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so there is a configuration build path is there.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Okay, are you on same page?
Yep.
Just click on configure build path.
Yep.
So there is a library.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so if you click on library, you will see the add external jar, right? Because we have installed the jar files, JRE, Selenium jar files, right?
Add external jar files. Oh, the second option. Yeah.
Okay, 1 second. Uh, okay, so add external jar file.
Mm-hmm.
You'll see the pop-up. Once you
Mm-hmm.
click on it, you go to that folder Selenium driver.
Mm-hmm.
So there is a Selenium server is there, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so just select that. Okay, and open it. Okay, now it is added.
Okay.
Then apply and close.
Close.
Okay, apply and close. So you'll see the reference library where it will give you some methods and functions. We'll understand that as well. Okay, so why it is
Okay.
important. Okay, so the code always you have to write it under curly bracket, and the every sentence what we write will be ends by semicolon. That is a syntax we
Mm.
have
Yes. Yes.
studied
Okay.
Java syntax, right? So now, so let's write a script. Okay, so type as a system dot set
Mm-hmm.
property. This is a method. Okay, so why we are getting error is
Mm.
will set properties, but s should be I think as set property system dot set property. Okay, so you'll see
Mm.
this. So you have to copy that path. So inside that, so first we have to write as a WebDriver dot Chrome driver. Okay, so we have to write as a WebDriver dot Chrome
Driver.
driver. Okay, so we are calling that driver, right? So next under this here, so again under double quote, we remove that null. So you have to give a double quote. Okay.
Mm.
So under this, we have to copy that path, right? So where we have set up the Chrome driver, that path we have to copy, right? This path,
Mm. Mm.
and just go to your Eclipse, then paste it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So after that, Windows 32. So you have to write. Okay, control this one. So give double slash. You give it Chrome driver dot exe. So that means it will execute. It will exe is a executable
Mm.
file. Okay.
.exe.
So I think the names he has given. Let me see.
Selenium WebDriver, Chrome driver,
Hmm.
Chrome driver dot win dot exe.
Okay. So then,
Then
okay.
why you have added Chrome driver at the end?
Yeah, yeah. That file, that exe file, right? You can
Okay,
see that file name. The
okay,
software you
okay,
have installed, right? In under this folder.
okay.
So if you see here, after 32, there is a Chrome driver. So this
Yeah,
is a
yeah.
exe file. This is a exe
Yes.
file. It will execute.
Okay.
So that is why.
Okay.
So system dot set property is a method. So where you have to give the path, right? So that way
Mm-hmm.
this tool will, it will go to C folder. It will go to Selenium WebDriver. It will go to Chrome driver folder. Under that
Mm-hmm.
folder, it will find the software is installed. Then it will
Mm-hmm.
launch it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So that is a method. So now
So
what we
every
have.
time we need to give this path method path,
Yeah,
right?
exactly. Otherwise, you cannot launch the Chrome driver, right?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Uh, So then you have to initialize the Chrome driver instance. Okay. How to write this one is Chrome driver equal to new Chrome driver. So that it will open a new Chrome driver.
Mm-hmm.
Chrome driver.
So again, this is also a method. So then you have to give semicolon at the end. So why it is getting error? So you have to import it, right? So this is what.
Okay.
Okay. So Chrome. I think somewhere in Chrome driver.
Here, Chrome, the spelling is wrong.
Driver spelling is wrong.
Uh-huh.
New driver.
And R. Yeah.
So now you have to import it. Okay. So
Important.
import from org dot Selenium Chrome. So you have to import it. Okay. So
Okay.
Mm.
then the error is gone. Right?
Yeah. Again,
So
here,
that
this
is
one.
showing.
What about
No,
this?
this is not an issue. Okay. So this is
Okay.
object reference. Okay. So now if you try to it will open the browser. Okay. So now right click run as a Java application.
Mm.
Just click OK. See here, do you want to allow public and private network app, right? So you have to allow it. It is trying to access. Okay, it is showing as Chrome driver located at.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is not a correct. It is showing. So Chrome driver window. See, but invalid. It is showing as invalid. So that is why I told you have to set up it properly. So let's go back to our folder. Let's kill it again. So you have written same thing, right, Padma? Web driver dot
Yeah.
web driver.
Yep. Even
Okay,
I'm getting the same error.
let's run. Okay, we'll dig up why it is happening now. Might be somewhere mistake or spacing issue. Do you think it will consider?
Webdriver.chrome. Oh no, I did comma. That's the dot Chrome driver. Chrome dot driver.
Could not start a new session. Possible cause or invalid address. Okay, so you have given Selenium WebDriver. Let's see.
For me, the error is at line 10. Same. At yours is at 11, mine is at 10.
I got it. Why it is happening? Okay, so let me
Hmm.
resolve. So then you have to do. Okay, let's rerun. See, the browser is open, right, Prashanti?
Mm, yes.
Right?
Yeah.
So what about Padma,
Chrome is being controlled by automated test software.
right?
Oh,
So
I'm getting
okay, one second.
Selenium web driver, Chrome
So
driver.
we have a created package. You can give any name, and we have created
Mm-hmm.
a class. We have then main method. Under that main method, we have used this system.set property method.
System dot
We have the
software.
path of means the Chrome driver software path, right? So it
Mm-hmm.
went to this folder. It has launched that Chrome driver. How it is launched? So by using this object, right,
Oh,
driver instance. So here driver is a instance and Chrome driver is a new Chrome driver is a object. Okay, we'll understand what is object, what is class and everything. Okay.
mhm.
So now share your screen, Padma, if you are facing issue.
I'll stop now.
So successfully launch the browser in Prashanti system. Okay. So wait, give me control.
Yeah.
I will tell you what you have done with mistake. Okay, you can close this. You don't struggle. It is congested, right? So we make it large wherever it is. So remove this green line not to is not needed. Okay. So system dot set property web driver dot chrome dot driver. Okay, that is good. And C same driver chrome driver window 32 chrome driver dot exe, that is correct. And chrome driver recording not terminal. Okay, this is also correct. So why it is not launching? Let's see. Chrome driver located is invalid. So location is invalid. We have to go to your folder. We have done this. You have to click here. Then you have to go. Driver. Okay. See, somewhere you have given incorrect. Not incorrect. It is correct only. Chrome driver exe is correct. Let's read. See, it is open, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the path you have given is incorrect. Okay, the error. So
Okay.
this is what.
Oh, there
Okay.
should be double Chrome Win 32. Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. So
Mhm.
now stop sharing. Now it is path is correct. Okay. Share your screen, Prashanti.
1 second.
Yeah, we took almost 45 minutes just for setting up.
It's sitting up.
Okay. So so what we have done, we just launch the browser, right? So
Yeah.
now what we have to launch the URL. Okay. What we have
Mm.
to do, we have a method again. So there is a
Mm-hmm.
column for driver dot get method. Okay. This is a function.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Driver dot get. Okay. So I'll use that URL. Okay, so this is a method. Okay. So this
Hmm.
method, what it will do is, one second, it will launch the URL.
Okay.
Okay. So whatever URL you give within this is a function. So you use within the double quote, you can give it. Okay, can you see why it is taking this? So what you want to launch? Anything, HTTP demo, anything. Okay, so whatever you
Mm.
want to launch,
Any URL, any we need to place whatever URL we need to launch. No.
HTTP, yes, slash. You write it as
Amazon.
a
Amazon.
one second. We'll give a demo workshop. Okay,
Okay.
Yes.
demo workshop, demo workshop dot tricentis.com. So this is a, or you can give anything, Flipkart.com, Amazon, Uber, anything. Okay.
Okay.
So this is a URL I want to launch.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Did you done this method?
You asking me?
Haha.
No, no, I'm just looking at
Looking.
the. Yeah, yeah.
Write it this one.
No, no, yeah, yeah. I'll do it.
Or I'll ping you this line, okay? I'll ping you in chat box. You just copy and paste it, okay?
Sure, sure.
Just copy.
Yeah.
So this line you can, okay? So what it does is it will launch the URL. Okay, just
URL.
look at my screen. It has to launch the first. It has to launch the Chrome driver. In Chrome driver, it has to launch the
This URL.
URL. Okay, that is our intention of this
Mm.
script. So till now we were launching by manually, but now we are asking tool to launch and the URL, right? So everything tool is doing it. See here,
Oh,
it entered, right?
yeah.
So all good. Any doubts?
It's all
No.
good.
Okay. So now I am closing the browser manually. How to close it? Right. Again, we have a method. So if you want to, if you are forgetting anything, you write it like this. To
To launch.
URL. Okay. This code is for driver.get. Right. So method. Or if you, one more method is there, driver dot navigate dot to. That is also it will work. Okay. So that will I'll tell you one more method also. So now as of now, you can use this method to launch the URL. Okay. So now we have to close the browser, right? So driver dot close option. I mean method is there again.
Mm.
So whatever you do, bracket is a method.
I will
You're
do.
Okay.
asking this driver close it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So what it does, it will launch the URL and it will close it. Okay. So
Close
I'll
it.
show you
Okay.
again. So these all things you have to be remember. Okay.
Mm.
Not ask why it is that, why it is like that, because it is a but we have to remember. So it will launch the URL, it will close it. See here,
Okay.
I didn't
Yeah.
close it,
Right.
right?
Yeah.
So this is what. So now one more method I told you can one more method launch the URL.
Go to.
So now what I do, what I did, can you observe what happened here? Tell me what each line.
Sorry, I didn't get what.
So what is happening? Like what we are doing here, we are doing asking Chrome driver to launch this URL and then it is
Yes.
closing
Yeah.
automatically. But if
Yes.
Yeah.
you observed, the driver is not maximized, right? So it was in
Yes. Yes.
minimized state.
It was
So we
in
have
my
a
set.
method driver dot
Get.
manage manage. You can see you are getting manage
Yeah.
Options.
window maximize. It is ask manage window maximize. So see here you are
Oh,
getting all populated, right? So it is giving
Right.
hints. So that is
Mm-hmm.
what we have done a library. So it is taking all these things. So what it does, it will launch the URL, it will maximize the browser, and then it will close it.
So what is library doing?
All these methods are stored here only. So
Stored in the
we are writing.
libraries. Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Okay.
so that
Okay.
is why it is populating, right, while writing the code
Mm, 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 mm.
at the below. So did you write these lines or
Yes.
shall I?
Yes. Yes. Can you
Okay.
paste it in the chat? So if it is Firefox, instead of Chrome driver, we use Firefox
Ah,
driver is equals to.
exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. Exactly.
Okay.
Nothing will change. Okay. So only instead of Chrome, you will give Firefox or Gecko
Okay.
driver or I Firefox, right? So
Eish.
that is one.
Okay.
so we can write anything like manage.
No, no, no. This is all static. So all are method. So we already know that these are method. Methods are always in small letter, and
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
it is with curly bracket, right? So not
Mm-hmm.
curly bracket. It is a that another normal bracket, right? So all are
Mm.
these methods inbuilt method in Java.
Mm-hmm.
So that is why I told you to read that Java syntax, right? So these are method is
Mm.
nothing but it is a functioning. It is asking. So it is taking control of Chrome driver. It is maximizing. Okay. So now our intention is it has to maximize. Then it has to close the browser. Okay.
Okay.
Let's launch again. Okay. It has to maximize. It has to launch the
Exactly.
URL. Then it has to maximize the window.
Okay.
See here. It maximized. Then it closed. So if you want to see the maximize window, but it did very fast, right? Within a fraction of second. You can
Yeah,
use
we'll have a time.
cut dot sleep. Okay. You can give that value. You can give value around 3 seconds, 3000 milliseconds, 3 seconds. So why it is
Mm-hmm.
showing error again? You have to import. Add a throw declaration. Okay. So now we have to do this. Okay. So because it will add automatically. Okay. So if you are getting error, you have to do it and add that one. So are you
Mm-hmm.
following what I'm saying?
Three
Sorry, Padma.
3,000
Yes.
means
Yes. Yes.
like what?
Second, 3 second. It is a
3 seconds.
millisecond means thousand. Okay.
Okay.
So now what I'll do, I'll run again. It has to wait for 3 seconds, then it has to close it. So now we will see that whether window is maximized or not. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. It has to launch the URL. It has to maximize the window that it has to wait for 3 seconds. Right? One, two, three, close.
Okay.
Right?
Mm.
So this is all. So in case, let's say if you do not want to close it, you can do like this. In front of that code, you can do it. It will not consider. This line will not, I mean, execute. Okay.
Okay. It will remain open.
Okay. So I have given everything to understand what is this line of
Okay.
code.
These notes will not affect any program, anything like that.
I have given a very each and every detail. Okay. Don't worry.
Mm.
Okay, so we launch the URL. Okay, so one more is there. I'll give you one more method. So driver dot navigate is there instead of get method. So there is a
Mm-hmm.
one more method is there. I will not launch this. I mean, so I have given if I give double slash in front of that code, it will not execute. Okay, so now I'll give navigate.
Okay.
So that is also one more alternative way to launch it. The URL navigate dot to. Okay, if you hover over, okay, so navigate. Let's
Right.
see.
Instead of that, we can use navigate also.
So navigate.
Okay.
So 1 second. Why navigate is not working? Okay, so we have given here method. Navigate is a method. Okay,
Mm.
so you do not write anything inside that. So navigate dot to where in which URL. So that URL we have to give inside the null.
Mhm.
Okay, so I copy the same URL which I can give. So now the error is come right. So that is navigate method. Then we will launch this URL.
Driver dot get.
Okay, so then we have to end the call. Okay, so now it will navigate instead of driver get. So this is the alternative way to launch the URL. Okay, so now if I launch this, it will launch URL again.
Then I go to launcher and
See
okay.
here, it opens the browser, it needs to launch. So initially I'm going very slow, okay? So because if we go in this pace, we will not complete our syllabus because this is the first time. What I used to do, I used to share my screen and I used to write a code. Then I used to give the homework. Okay, so that is how I do. But since you guys are not aware, so I'm just going very slow. Okay, so whatever we have learned, you should be very. I mean, let's say if you're writing one more class, okay, just go to
Mm.
demo, then create a class. Okay, so go to new.
New, right? New, not new.
Uh, so class. We'll understand what is class and all.
Yeah.
So you launch Facebook. So that is a homework for you guys. So you can write the
Okay.
same thing. Okay, only change the URL. You
Yeah.
can play around whatever you want. Okay,
Okay.
remove this and write it. Okay, so that is how you can create it. Any number of script you can write it under this
So
demo.
first we have to do the Chrome driver and then we have to
Same thing only.
same thing.
Okay,
Okay.
all these you have to, and we have done maximize and the weighting everything right. So
Yeah, yeah.
This is what. Okay.
Sure.
So now we'll validate the something more than this. Okay. So now we are able to launch it. So let's say,
Mm-hmm.
so your writing is test cases. Okay. So
Mm.
once, if you're getting error and all, how to get fixed, right? So you all know, right? Okay, we launch the URL and we'll do it. So now what you do, you want to print something. Okay, launching the URL, waiting 3 seconds, driver is maximum. So you have to type something like system.out.println. It is
Okay.
this line, this method is for printing
Next line.
output. Okay,
Output.
test case is pass,
Mm-hmm.
right? So if nothing is going error, so it will show error. If not, it will throw an error as a fail. Now we have to see the output result as test case as pass, right?
Hmm.
You can see
Yeah.
test case is pass. It has printed.
Yes. Yeah.
Right? This is how we can play around this scripting.
Okay.
Okay.
Right? So if you want to launch a number of times, right? So again, you copy same thing, paste it down, and you launch it some other URL. Okay. So that is
Mm.
also you can do it. So always every line is end by semicolon and the whole code. And so within this code,
We
this
need to
Mm.
remember all these methods,
uh,
right?
yeah, yeah. Okay. So now let's see Tricentis web application. So what is the title of that? Okay, so we'll validate the title of that page. Web demo workshop. How to find this title of? We can say demo workshop might be title or something. Okay, how to see it? So you just
Dev tools. Dev tools.
click on Dev Tools. Yeah, Tools, Developer Tools. Okay, so now it has open DOM. Okay, so just click on search or Control F. Okay, type as a title. See here, title they have given demo workshop,
Okay.
right? So this title we will validate whether it is correct or not. Okay. So now we will write a code. Okay. Okay. So now we'll go to our script. We'll write a code for that. Okay. Before closing the browser, so it will wait. Okay. So then we will write as a there is a option there is a method again. We'll create a string since it is a characters. Okay. You will understand what is string everything. Okay. And just since it is a first script, we just focusing on okay. String phase title equal to we are
Okay.
asking driver get title method is there driver dot get title driver dot get see here you are getting option as well if you do not know method you're getting some
Yeah.
pre-populated get title. So what it does is it will show an I mean get the title of that page. Get title. Okay. So we are entering your launching URL. We want that your page what you call page title. Okay. So let's see. We'll launch it.
Which title?
It has to show the title. What is the title? We know that title is demo workshop, right? So let's see whether it is validating or not. Okay, so it passed the test case, but we didn't get the output, right? To validate what is the title, right? So we have to write a one more method, paste title, right? So instead of
Yeah.
test case is passed, we will ask paste title.
Okay. Demo workshop.
Ah, so we are not closing here. We will, okay. So or we will say we are not writing. Okay, we are just asking paste
Paste.
title is okay. So we have to tag that this subject page title is object, right? So this is we have to
Mm.
tag it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it will print that title what it has got it, right?
So plus symbol will tag.
It will refer
Okay.
that method.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then it will execute this whatever it is there, it will print here because we are
Mm-hmm.
using system out print a line. So
Okay.
what we are
Yeah.
printing, we are printing the page title.
Page title. Yeah.
Okay, let's see whether it will print the title of that page or not.
Okay.
The lines are very simple, okay? Logically, you have to understand. So don't get complicated. All are easy only, okay? The only thing you have to remember,
Hmm.
okay? See
Okay.
here,
This is demo.
page title
Yeah.
is demo workshop.
Mm.
Yes.
But manually we know it. But how the tool is communicated, right? So this is the method to get the
Yeah.
page title. Okay, so we'll validate one more thing whether it is title is correct or not. Okay.
Hmm.
So there is a method again called equals method. Okay, if demo webshop is equals to page title or not. Okay, so we'll write a one more method. If what is our title? This is a title. Okay, I have missed the first D inside that. Okay, there's a
D. D is
equal.
missing.
Huh. So intentionally I missed it. Okay,
Okay.
so if demo workshop equals to page title. What is our page title? Page title
Okay.
is D.
D.
Okay. Huh. Okay. So then we are asking, we are printing system dot print the test case is pass.
Hmm.
Then
Okay. Huh. Okay. So then else
fail. Fail.
test case is failed.
Okay.
Just copy this line we have already written. Failed. So our expected what?
Fail.
Failed. Right? So this is a one function. So we will close this with a curly bracket and we'll open else. So this is a one more line. Why it is giving else will be open. Okay, so this is the one. Then we will close our browser after the validation.
Okay.
We'll fix why it is showing error. Okay. Syntax error of VLC. Ah, so that curly bracket it should have removed. Okay. So you understand that. So we compare the title. I mean, we get the title. Okay. So we ask the driver get title. We have printed title is this. Now we are comparing if condition. So if demo web shop equals to page title, what is page title? Demo web shop, but D is missing. So it will compare. It will not execute this because the false, right? So it will execute test case is fail. Okay,
Mm.
our output should be test case fail. So let's see. So we'll understand also. Further, I have given if else how to write and everything. Okay. So I'm just giving some demo. Okay. So now it will close and you will see here
Yeah.
test case is failed.
Yeah.
So if I give now, if I give demo, what is your expected?
Pass.
Ah, right. Let's rerun again. Within a 3 second, it has passed all the validations. Right. So that is
Mm.
why automation is very fast compared to manual. Prashanti's system is very slow.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see what is our output. You can see here, right?
Yeah.
This is pass, right?
Yes.
What are all these warnings we are getting?
So these are logs actually.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, don't worry on that red lines. Or it will
Mm.
give some hints also why it is failing and everything. Okay, so these are logs
Okay.
in the console.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, console, you'll get the logs. Okay, where it is connected to this browser 120 dot this and all, right?
Okay.
That
Okay. Okay.
all dependencies are. Okay. So now we have launched the URL, we have maximized the
Mm-hmm.
window, we have waited, right? So and we compare the page title, so we pass the test cases or fail the test cases, right?
Mm.
So this is I'll save it. Okay, so I will close it. Okay, so now I will share my screen and we validate it. So can you stop sharing your screen, Prashanti?
Yes. Sure.
So where are these recordings available? She's telling she's sharing in the drive, in our drives, but I don't see any recordings shared.
You chase her, okay? So I'm not
Yeah.
sure what. So I have given here how to everything whatever we have discussed, right?
Okay.
Okay. So you can
Yeah.
follow step one, step two, okay,
Mm-hmm.
step three, step four.
Okay.
So I put effort and make it simple, okay, for you guys to understand very clearly.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So each and every screenshot with this along with screenshot, you no need to refer recording as well. Okay. That is how I build my notes. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
then we have built the path. Okay. So there is
Can
a
you put
library.
the screenshots of the yesterday's installations also from the beginning?
Everything is there. Okay. I will share you. No worries.
Yeah.
Okay. So that is also I have. It is there in my notes. Don't worry.
Okay.
So then we have written system.set property that path. Okay. Then we have asked driver uh, new Chrome
Yeah.
driver driver dot get. URL we have given. Okay, and if you are getting error, you have to hover over, you have to import it. Okay, that is also I have highlighted. So then we have given a driver, web driver equal to no new Chrome driver. This is an instance, and we have created an object of new Chrome driver. So then we have asked the driver to go to, I mean, get the URL. Then you have to find this one. We will understand later in the next classes. Okay, how
Okay.
to find the send keys and all. The only thing you practice it. Okay, so I have here below is the Selenium script to launch the Facebook URL, page title, pass or fail the test case validations. Okay, so what we have validated web shop. So now I have given a entire code for you to validate Facebook title. Same thing only. Okay,
Mm,
you can see here string page title equal to driver dot get page title. So then we have compared that page title. So if Facebook login is sign in equal to page title, then pass the test case, then else fail the test cases, right? So test cases failed. So that is also I have given how to find the page title, right?
mm,
So press
mm,
the right click, select the inspect, then press the F, control plus F. Then you have to type the page title, how I written, right? Or you go to triple quote and then go to more tools, driver, I mean dev tools. In that, control plus F, then you'll see that page title. That is inside that page title. You have, this is our title: Facebook login in or sign in,
mm,
right?
mm.
So then
Yes.
these are validation we have done. Okay. So we have created a successfully one script and we have validated the test case pass and fail, right? In real time, this is how we will validate. In case, let's say in tomorrow they will change the code, right? Instead of Facebook login or sign up, they will add different title. They will add only so login or sign up, then Facebook. So that time, your script has to pass it. I mean, fail it because the title is changed. So that is
Mm,
how we will validate the one result. Okay, any doubts?
mm,
Okay,
No.
so now we will write the login functionality, username, how to enter the username, how to click on button, right? How to take the screenshot. A lot of things are there. We will play around. Okay, this is the basic.
okay.
Please keep the practice. Otherwise, you will not understand. So eventually, if it is, if you're not uh, practicing, you will not understand. Okay. So
Okay.
far I have gone very slow since it is a first script. I have created very slow. In next script, I will do it in my system only. I'll go ahead. Okay, so because it will take time. So now we will understand what is data types. Okay, so what is if statement, if else statement we have written, right? So what is switch statement, right? We'll understand some basic Java program, how to write and everything, so that it
Mm,
will uh, understand. Okay, so how to use it in our script.